वेलकम टू अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ ग्लोबल विलेज हाइलाइट्स। और आज हम जाएंगे एक और नई पेविलियन और एक और देश के बारे में जानेंगे। आज हम जाएंगे लेबनान। लेबनान, द नेम एक्चुअली इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द स्नो क्लैड माउंटेन्स, जिसका सफेद या वाइट कलर उससे लिया गया है लेबनान नाम। सो लेट्स गेट टू नो मोर अबाउट दिस वाइट स्नो क्लैड माउंटेन कंट्री कॉल्ड लेबनान। आज मैं हूं लेबनीज पेविलियन के अंदर और मेरे साथ हैं दौरी। दौरी, अस्सलाम
Alaikum salam.
wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me ask you, what is the speciality of this costume? Like, because you're taking pictures of family, kids, everyone, traditional Lebanese costume. Tell me about it.
That's right. We have here a traditional Lebanese studio. The family, kids, big, small, they come and they wear the traditional Lebanese dress. And in front of this background, as they are an old Lebanese house, I'll take for them many pictures, and they will choose the best one. It will be printed immediately. It's really nice, and for memories. Usually they like it. They like the idea, and we will never forget our traditional.
As per the tradition, what am I wearing? What is this called?
You wear the abaya, the basha abaya, the basha abaya. It's a level. We have in Lebanon. We have many levels: the popular, the medium, and the rich level. This one, the medium. It's nice. It will be in gold from this. It will be make it from gold. Yes, and with the tarbush, really it depends many tarbush, many form of tarbush, but usually this is the special one.
Now, for women, I see very pointed cap. So, what is this called?
This one, we name it tantour. Tantour, it's for ladies, for princess. And for sure it will be different color, different design. It will be a costume with the abaya. It depends with the abaya color.
Okay, so this tantoor actually has a long cloth along with it. It has a long cloth with it. So do they cover the face like that?
Yes, usually they make it like this. Look, I will put it, I will try it. It should be just like this, not like this, just like this. Yeah, straight for up, and from this side it will be like this and yes, and it will be like this.
Wallah.
It's for ladies just only.
Now, again, coming to Lebanese tradition, we see the particular tree in the flag. That's your traditional official tree of the country.
Yes, that's right.
Tell me about it.
The cedar tree is the best and oldest tree in the world. Usually for patient, it's the smell of cedar tree. It's very good for the body. It's very good, and the lotion from cedar also it's nice. And this is very old, and we have the oldest tree in the world. It's very strong. Usually the Phoenician guy, they make the boat from the cedar wood and they travel for another countries. This is a special from Lebanon.
Because the Lebanon, you have mountains where there is a lot of snow. And that's why the name comes Lebanon, the white color snow.
That's right. And the tree, the cedar tree, it lives in the mountain under the snow.
So we got to know about Lebanon, and हमने जाना कि इसको अबाया कहते हैं और तरबूश कहते हैं और ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस है। बहुत कुछ हमने जाना और भी जानेंगे लेबनान के बारे में थोड़ी देर में। लेबनान पेविलियन में आके लेबनीज फूड के बारे में बात नहीं किया तो क्या किया, और जुब्न, जैत और ज़ातर के बारे में बात नहीं किया तो क्या करेंगे। यहाँ पे मिलता है बहुत सारे वेराइटीज ऑफ चीज पिकल्स, ऑलिव्स, ज़ातर एंड रोज वाटर, जैम्स एंड मच मोर प्रिजर्व्स। एंड लेबनीज फूड इज मेनली I would say more of cheese based like Italian, and उसका जायका अलग ही होता है। आप आके ट्राई करें, और ये चीज़ पिकल आप ले जा सकते हैं एंड यू कैन हैव इट विद ब्रेड। ओह माय, इट्स सो यम। लेबनान पेविलियन के अंदर अब हम हैं नजीब के साथ। नजीब से पूछेंगे कि यहाँ की खाने के बारे में खासियत क्या है। व्हाट आर द काइंड्स ऑफ चीज इन लाबने यू हैव हियर? यू हैव सो मेनी वैरायटीज, सो व्हाट आर द काइंड्स?
We have many kinds. We have cheese with eggplant, different kinds of cheese. We have 23 kinds. We are mountain of Lebanon. All of them homemade, are homemade.
Okay.
All of them, you can try them. Come and try. They are very tasty. Try it.
So olives.
Yes, it's with olive and olive oil.
Okay. ऑलिव ऑयल के साथ चीज जब मिक्स होता है तो उसका टेस्ट अलग ही होता है। यू हैव टू कम इन बाय वन सो दैट योर ब्रेकफास्ट विल बिकम मच मोर इंटरेस्टिंग। You have labne also.
Yes, we have labne also, and we have za'atar also, and we have pomegranate and molasses, olive oil, honey, and different things, jams. All of them are homemade.
Mainly, if you take Lebanese food, it's more of cheese.
Yes, the cheese is the most tasty we have. All of them are tasty, but the cheese is the most tasty.
And what else do you have when it comes to Lebanese cuisine? Do you have more grills and all that?
Yes, but we don't sell them. But in Lebanese, you have tabbouleh and more tasty things, meat and tabbouleh and these things also.
Okay. Thank you, Najib, for giving us an idea. And you also have murabba, the kinds of jams you have. What are the kinds of jams?
We have blueberry, strawberry, fig, and rose jam also. It's a new one and it's very tasty also.
तो पहाड़ों से अगर जैम, चीज, ऑलिव्स, ऑलिव ऑयल्स, ज़ातर, इतने सारे चीज आप खरीदते खरीदते थक जाओगे, फिर भी खत्म नहीं होगा। थैंक यू नजीब वेरी मच, शुक्रन जजीला।
Have a nice day also. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
वक्त हो चला है छोटे से ब्रेक लेने का. Take a break and come back in a short while. We'll be back with you on Global Village Highlights. वेलकम बैक टू ग्लोबल विलेज हाइलाइट्स. और जिंदगी की खुशियां मनाते हुए हम हैं मलबार गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स के अंदर इंडिया पेविलियन में. एंड मेरे साथ हैं करण. करण, व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ यूजुअल सेल व्हिच इज हैपनिंग दिस टाइम ऑफ द ईयर?
As usual, like Malabar Gold is famous for its gold and its diamonds. We are expecting our sales is going really good actually. We got a very good response from DSF even this time, and we are going really good this time.
What is special about the Global Village Pavilion?
Global Vision Pavilion, in a sense, you can find each and every variety of people. Usually, we have our particular showrooms in particular places. We can find only particular sort of peoples. Over here, you can find each and every country peoples over here, and they are giving a good means we are getting good feedback from them. More than we expected. We are getting a very good feedback this time.
You have the Era, Ethnic, Starlet, and all that varieties. Which is the fast-moving one?
Right now in gold it's a fast moving one. Apart from that, in diamonds, Era is a fast moving one right now. Era as well as in mine, both are very fast moving.
Era is mainly the uncut, which is like displayed here, uncut diamonds. And what is the price range, which is like affordable, or is it very costly?
No. Right now we are having a very good promotion right now. We are giving a very good flat offer discounts on Era as well as in mine diamonds. Everything on diamond products, we are having a very good offers right now going on. So yeah, each and every person can have a good affordable price for them right now.
And do you see people buying more of diamonds these days, or are they still going back to gold? Because there is a huge restriction, and a few other people, they were saying we would like to buy gold, but how can we take it back?
Like before, the people usually think that diamond, if they purchase, there is no resale value or anything. But Malabar Gold and Diamonds gives a very good resale value for gold as well as diamonds. When diamonds, if the people are going to purchase, they won't regret because they are having a very good resale value for it.
But in case of gold, you have the price increasing. How about diamonds? The price doesn't increase. It's just the same rate, right?
No. Actually, the thing is like in diamonds, we get in a tag price. It doesn't have a differentiation like making is this much like that, nothing like that. We have a fixed price for the diamond, and as each and everyone know, there will be always appreciation for diamonds. There's no depreciation in diamonds. Most of the time, there will be 90% will be appreciation on diamonds. So the customer who invest on diamonds, they will get a very good result if they're giving out long-term durations. So like anyhow, we will be having a particular it doesn't change. If the customer is purchasing today, we don't change our policy tomorrow. That there is no cashback, nothing. We will be having a fixed in back of our invoice, we'll be mentioning each and everything that we have so much of a cashback option as well as exchange offer, which the customer which they will get at any part of time.
And how much do you see people coming in more for gold inside Global Village? Because usually what happens is this is a light shopping area. And how far is gold a commodity which is being sold in Global Village?
It's true that people come in a motivation like they just roam nothing. They don't then come in a sense of purchasing over here. But when they see the collection, when they see the designs, they'll usually like the patterns. Because here in Global Village, we have kept the selected products, which is like most of the pieces, as you see, it's ad pieces are over here. All the best products we kept here. The people automatically they get attracted and they will purchase here, no issues.
Inside your pavilion, I saw a gold making machine or the chain making machine.
Machine just for customer they should know what is the machine made, how the machine made chain is done, in what machine it is done. So just for their knowledge, we have kept a machine over here.
Does it work and you show how it is working?
Yeah, it's just for a demo. We have kept it here. It's in a factories they will be working it.
Thank you very much, Karan, and all the best. Let the sale increase day by day.
Sure. Thanks a lot.
अब हमारे साथ एक बड़ी सी फैमिली है, बात करते हैं पहले कंवरजीत जी से। आप बताएं कि आपको कैसा लगा इस बार का ग्लोबल विलेज, क्या बहुत अच्छा लगा?
नहीं, मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि से कम सारे वर्ल्ड को इससे पता तो चलता है इंडिया में क्या हो रहा है और क्या होना चाहिए, और इसलिए मुझे हर तरह का वहाँ ट्रेडिशनल जो चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पर देखने को मिली, तो आई रियली अप्रिशिएट।
भल्ला जी आप बताएं, आपको क्या चीज़ बहुत पसंद आया इस पे?
Especially the Indian tendency, you know, the Bhangra and the all other thing, you know, that's very nice, you know, very attractable, you know.
कहते हैं यहाँ पे गिद्दा होता है, भंगड़ा होता है, सब यहाँ पे स्टेज पे होता है। आपने क्या क्या देखा? कोई और पेविलियन देखे इसके अलावा, इंडिया पेविलियन के अलावा?
नहीं, हमने सारे टोटल पवेलियन देखे, मगर जो यहाँ पर वार्मनेस है वो हमने कहीं नहीं देखी है।
आप बताएं, यूजुअली लेडी से मैं हर बार पूछता हूँ कि शॉपिंग क्या की, आपने क्या क्या शॉपिंग की?
मुझे सूट बहुत पसंद आए और ज्वेलरी बहुत अच्छी थी, और प्लस जैसे मैं पंजाब से बिलोंग करती हूँ, मुझे डिफरेंट स्टेट्स का मुझे अच्छा लगता है वहाँ खरीदा फरोशी करनी, पर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ का। और यहाँ केवल यहाँ भी नहीं, पर मैंने बाकी भी देखे हैं, पर यह भी अच्छा लगा कि आपने ये इंटरनेशनली सभी कंट्रीज़ को इकट्ठे करके रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं ये लोग, ये भी बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। वेरी
आप बताएं कैसा लगा इस बार का ग्लोबल विलेज? आपने पहले ग्लोबल विलेज विजिट किया था पहले?
Yeah, we have seen from the beginning. The first global village we have already seen. Maybe you people not have seen that.
The Festival City one?
Not the first, very first, 20 years back, which happened first time in Dubai. That's amazing, and this is more amazing than that.
उस बार जो हुआ था वो DSF था पहले, उसके बाद ग्लोबल विलेज जब शुरू हुआ था, कैसा था वो?
No, it is more permanent, more lavish, more.
नहीं, वो पहला वाला कैसा?
पहला वाला it was first time always a great.
पहले तो एक्वा सेरीन करके वो एक्वा फैंटासिया होता था।
एक्वा फैंटासिया होता था, रोड सब परफॉर्मेंसेस होती थी, बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रैफिक नाउ इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल ओवर हियर, एंड दैट वाज आल्सो अमेजिंग. दिस इज इट हैज इट्स ओन, यू नो, ग्रेस.
आप बताएं.
बिल्कुल ठीक कह रही हैं, हमें तो काफ़ी साल हो गए इस जगह पे, तो वी हैव ऑलवेज लव दिस प्लेस, एंड स्पेशली यहाँ पर अभी इतना ओपन एरिया और इतना वाइड स्प्रेड इन्होंने एग्जीबिशंस या स्टॉल्स लगे हुए हैं, तो वी रियली लव इट. एंड स्पेशली सब स्टॉल्स हम घूम के आए, हमारे गेस्ट आए हुए हैं USA, इंडिया, और वी आर एंजॉइंग द वेदर, द पीपल अराउंड, सराउंडिंग, फैंटास्टिक. God bless everyone.
भला जी, US में तो बहुत सारे ऐसे अम्यूजमेंट पार्क्स हैं, डिज्नी है, सब कुछ है, उससे अलग क्या है यहाँ पे?
उससे वहाँ भी बहुत करते हैं हम लोग, यू नो, नथिंग, ये नहीं कह सकता अलग है, बस ऐसे भी कई बार ज़्यादा करते हैं वहाँ. डू बेटर समटाइम, यू नो.
So you think what can be improved in Global Village?
I don't know.
कुछ अच्छा हो सकता है इससे भी, और
हो सकता है, डिपेंड करता है कैसे करना चाहते हैं आप, जो मर्जी कर लो. इससे
और पंजाब में तो मौज मस्ती बहुत सारा होता है, यहाँ का माहौल कैसा है? क्योंकि
जो आपने एंट्रेंस पर ही किया हुआ है वही माहौल बहुत अच्छा है, उससे पता चलता है कि हम इंडिया में पंजाब में आ गए हैं. तो जब हम एंटर किए तो वी एंजॉय विद देम ऑल योर पार्टिसिपेंट्स and really appreciated it.
बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you very much. Thank you. अभी वक्त हो चला है एंटरटेनमेंट का, so be with us and enjoy all the entertainment on Global Village Highlights. Be with us.
All right, everyone. चल 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 बहता चल नन्ना रे 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 everyone नन्ना रे 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 बरसो रे हे बरसो रे मेघा बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो वावायाने वादळ उमट्या हो गोकुळ माट हुका मोर मळवा वाया वावायाने वादळ उमट्या He was standing there, come on! Join me! Hey, 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 hey! Gilly, 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 ha, 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 ha. गिली गिली माटी के चल घरांधे बनाएंगे रे हरी भरी अम्बी अम्बी की डाली मिलके झूले झूलाएंगे रे हो धन बैजू गजनी हल जोते सबने बैलों की घंटी बजी और ताल लगे भरने रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली पार वाले पर लेकिन नार चली रे मेघा नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना everyone say नन्ना रे नन्ना नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे काली रातों में बदरवा बरस जाएगा गली गली मुझको निगाह ढूंढेगा और गरज के पलट जाएगा घर आंगन अंगना और पानी का झरना भूल न जाना मुझे सब पूछेंगे वरना रे बहक चली मैं तो बहक चली ओ पार वाले पर लेकिन नार चली रे मेघा नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना everyone say नन्ना रे 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 नारे 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 नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे
ग्लोबल विलेज हाइलाइट्स के इस एपिसोड में बस इतना ही और मजा लेके आएंगे अगले एपिसोड में सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू बी विद ग्लोबल विलेज हाइलाइट्स एंड इट्स टाइम टू से adios